My oven's preheated to 425, and in the oven, while I was preheating it, I preheated my pan. So the pan's going to come out ripping hot. We're going to hit it with a bunch of oil, and then we're going to drop these and get as many of these face side down to get some really beautiful caramelization. All right. Now I'm going to use an avocado oil. I wanted a more high heat oil, so you can use a canola, Pam, any of those kind of cooking sprays. I don't want to do light olive oil because I don't want to burn the olive oil in this nice hot oven. But you can, we're just going to go ahead and drop these guys down. I have a silicone mat down. It's not necessary. It's going to help make sure that they don't stick to the pan. So if you have a silicone mat, absolutely throw it down. I think that it's going to help with cleanup, but it's not necessary to the flavors of the dish. You could also make cleanup a little easier by using tin foil, aluminum foil, any of those kinds of things will also work, or a nonstick baking sheet. All right, now with these all face down, looking beautiful, we're gonna throw this in the oven. Again, it's set to 425. We want it ripping hot. All right, it's been 20 minutes in there, and I think that's the right move, not the 15. We got some great color happening here.